जी सेनेटर डॉक्टर जरका साहिबा प्लीज मूव करें। तशरीफ रखें। पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर तो अभी एक दफा तशरीफ रखें आप दोनों। मैं जरा इससे पहले एक मूव करूं कश्मीर के वो रेजोल्यूशन की बात, उसके बाद देंगे। जी तशरीफ रखें। अफनान हिदायत साहब तशरीफ रखें। आपने तो बजट पे तकरीर कर भी ली है जी।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम जी। Motion under Rule 263, I beg to move under Rule 263 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012 that the requirements of Rule 25, 29, 30 and 133 of the said rules be dispensed with in order to enable the House to pass a resolution on Kashmir.
It has been moved under Rule 263 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012 that the requirements of Rule 25, 29, 30 and 133 of the said rules be dispensed with to enable the House to pass a resolution on Kashmir. Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those against the motion may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is carried. Ji, Senator Dr. Zarka, please move the resolution.
Gee, thank you very much. I'm really grateful to the chairman for giving time, and to the leader of the house, Sherry Rahman Sahiba, Mushahid Hussain Sahab, and the entire house, जिन्होंने इसको आज they are considering this resolution because this is of utmost importance. I will read the resolution now. The Senate of Pakistan takes strong notice of the fact that the fascist Indian government, led by Narendra Modi, has called an all-parties conference of leaders hailing from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on 24th June 2021 to take up the post-5th August 2019 scenario in IIOJK. Now, therefore, be it resolved that this House reiterates its strongest condemnation of the Indian government's grossly illegal actions against the oppressed people of IIOJK on and after 5th August 2019 and calls upon A. enabling the people of Kashmir to exercise their inalienable right of self-determination in accordance with the resolutions of the United Nations Security Council. B. Reversion to the pre-5th August 2019 status of IIOJK by ending the annexation. C. Immediate release of all political prisoners in IIOJK. D. Immediate cessation of attempts to change the demographic balance in IIOJK by trying to convert the majority into minority. And at the end, we salute the Kashmiri people and their valiant resistance to oppression and their heroic struggle and sacrifices.
I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The resolution is passed unanimously. Secretary साहब इस resolution को तमाम दुनिया के parliaments में भिजवा दें through Foreign Office.